Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can save an image from Snapchat app to your gallery. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So friends, first of course, open the Snapchat app. Then you'll need to click on your Bitmoji on the top left to go to your Snapchat page. And here on the top right, please click on the gear to go to Settings. In the Settings, you'll need to find this Memories option right here. Next, in Memories, select the Save option. As you can see, there are several options here on how you can save your Snapchat photos. For example, you can keep them only in Snapchat Memories. But if you want the images to be in your gallery as well, then you'll need to choose the second or third option. Which will mean that the Snapchat images will be saved to your phone's gallery immediately, or they will be saved to your gallery and also to your memories in the Snapchat app. Which is very handy because just in case, your Snapchat images will be in both the app and your phone's gallery. This is the very simple way, friends, you can very easily and quickly set up to save the image from Snapchat app to your gallery. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our videos. Take care.